Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'll be sharing with you also my review on the products that I received from Estelvana. Well, actually guys, my initial review on this product was already posted on my Instagram account, but since I'm still using them until now, I decided to share it also here on my YouTube channel and give you additional more review on the products. Okay, so we're gonna start with this Spot Saver Mugwort Ghost Mask from Isim3. As you can see, lagay nila natira, but I'm gonna insert a clips on how I place the sheet mask on my face. So this ghost mask calms irritated skin and serves as hydrating moisturizer for dry skin, and it balances the oil and moisture of the skin. Isim3 Spot Saver Mugwort Ghost Mask. Key ingredients and benefits are mugwort extract that quickly soothes irritated skin. It also contains glycerin that replenishes tired dry skin, sodium hyaluronate that prevents moisture from evaporating, and xanthan gum that creates a smooth and shining skin texture. The ghost materials of this sheet mask is very soft and light, and the essence is transparent liquid. And I don't feel any irritation upon using this sheet mask, and it is very soothing, very calming, very hydrating, and very refreshing on the skin. So one thing that I observe is it doesn't have that extra essence. Unlike kasi sa ibang sheet mask na na-try ko, I observe that it has a exact amount of essence on this pouch. Unlike other sheet masks that I've tried, some sheet masks have extra essence that you can apply on different parts of your body, pero ito saktong-sakto lang yung essence na nandito sa pouch niya. And the size also perfectly fits on my face. Usually kasi ang problem na na-encounter ko kapag gumagamit ako ng sheet mask is yung sa eye part, yung butas dito sa my eye part. Minsan maliit, which I have to tear some part of that hole para mas, alam mo yon, mas maging open pa siya para lang may fit siya sa mukha ko. And some of the sheet mask, alam mo yun, lagpas dito sa hanggang dito sa neck ko, dito sa may ear part, and dito rin. But for this one, saktong-sakto lang siya for me. Okay, so the next product is this Tea Tree Relief Serum from Ayuni. So this serum infused with tea tree and centella asiatica leaf water that soothes and heals skin for clearer complexion. This Ayuni Tea Tree Relief Serum key benefits and ingredients are 67% tea tree extract water that soothes sensitive skin, 19.5% centella extract for clearer and brighter skin, patented 6-sprout extract provides moisture and nutrition, and niacinamide and adenosine to brighten skin tone and improve appearance of wrinkles. Okay, so it comes with a transparent bottle glass with a dropper, and the tip of the dropper is slightly slant. So looking on the bottle, you can see the serum looks like has a color of light green, but it is more on transparent color once applied to the skin, and it has that runny, watery consistency. It is quickly absorbed by the skin, and it doesn't give you that tacky or sticky or greasy feelings. So it is really very light, that is perfect on layering during warm season. You know, I like how it blends well with my other skincare, and it doesn't irritate my skin. And you know, since we started wearing masks, my skin usually get irritated whenever I wear mask. And when I started using this serum, the irritation is lessened, and I observed that this serum reduce and prevent inflammation of breakout. I actually always pair this one with the Centella Asiatica Gel Cream, and I love that it works really well on my skin. Okay, so next product we have is this Rose Galactomyces Silky Tone Up Cream from the brand Unique. So this nourishes the skin and regulates the moisture level for a bright and clearer skin. This Unique Rose Galactomyces Silky Tone Up Cream. Key ingredients and benefits are galactomyces that maintains moisture of the skin, rose water that improves complexion and reduces redness, rice, barley, and oats extract to nourish the skin and protect it from photoaging, Restylane Complex with antioxidant benefits and herbal extract for brightening and soothing, and lastly, niacinamide and adenosine to brighten skin and improve appearance of wrinkles. So it comes with a plastic tube with a rose scent and with a white color, soft and silky texture. It really moisturizes and brightens the skin, and it is easy to apply and blend and evens out the skin tone. I like that it adds glow to my skin and makes my makeup looks fresh throughout the day. You know, even though it has a white color, it doesn't leave a choky finish. I remember the first time that I used this, I put too much cream on my face that I get afraid that my face will looks very white, like I put flour on my face, but it doesn't turn out to what I expected. It doesn't give me hard time to blend, and it adapt my skin tone after that. It gives my skin a very super dewy look. Okay, so last but not the least is this Propolis Vitamin Eye Cream for eye and face from the brand Unique also. So this is an anti-aging multi-effect eye cream that makes skin elastic and smooth. This Unique Propolis Vitamin Eye and Face Cream. Key ingredients and benefits are propolis extract that contains various organic minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and antibacterial properties. Hippopea rhamnoids fruits extracts that contains vitamin C, A, B1, and B2, and niacinamide and adenosine. Okay, so it comes in a plastic tube also with a thick, creamy, but lightweight texture. And it's so refreshing and hydrating, and it is easy to apply and blend and quickly absorb by the skin. I like the fact that it can be also used on your face, all over your face. And you know, I have a dry skin type, and every time that I apply concealer under my eye, it easily get crease or cake. But since I started using this eye cream, the concealer doesn't set on my fine lines under eye anymore, and my fine lines is already improving. And you know, I have tiny bumps on this part of my under eye, and I observed that it is already started to heal and vanish, and I like that this cream reduces my eyes puffiness. So that's it, guys. You can shop all the products that I've shown in this video at Estelvana, and you can use my code INF105MISS to get up to 15% off on your total purchase. And all of the details of this product will be on my description box, so you can check it later. And before I end this vlog, I just want to say thank you, Estelvana, for sending me this product and for this wonderful collaboration. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.